Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to learn new skills faster using Skillshare. Now, one of the biggest barriers to success isn't just the lack of information, it's the passive learning trap. We've all been there, binging hours of tutorials only to realize 2 days later that we can't actually perform a skill. Science tells us that we forget up to 70% of what we hear within 24 hours if we don't apply it. In this video, we'll be breaking down the science of high velocity learning using Skillshare's feature set. We're going to walk through the discovery engine, the revamped learning paths, and the cognitive load techniques that you can use to build muscle memory in record time. Whether you're learning AI prompt engineering, advanced motion graphics, this walkthrough is about working smarter and not longer. If you're ready to stop watching and start doing, check the link below in the description and you can get a free month of Skillshare Premium, which gives you unlimited access to every single learning path, project asset, and certificate we're about to discuss. It's the absolute best way to follow this tutorial in real time without spending a dime. To learn fast, you have to find the right content immediately. So let's start on the Skillshare home dashboard. The interface is optimized for what experts call micro-learning. So first you can look at the browse menu here at the top left corner, and instead of just general categories, use his skill hubs. These are niche-specific communities. Clicking into a hub is better than the general search because it surface levels the trending classes, the ones with the highest engagement and the most active teachers. These are classes battle tested for thousands of other learners. Now look at the search bar. When you type in a skill, let's say Adobe Premiere Pro, don't just click on the first video or just on any thumbnail. On the left sidebar, you can use the filters. To learn faster, filter by class length. So you have class type, class level, keep scrolling down. And so if you have a 20-minute gap, select under 30 minutes and you have some results. Now, Skillshare's bite-sized classes are designed to teach one specific micro skill, like AI masking or speed ramping, so you can apply it immediately. Now, if you come over here to classes and you click on the drop down, you noticed learning paths. Now, this is the ultimate speed learning tool. The biggest time waster in self-education is decision fatigue, spending more time picking a class than watching it. Skillshare's curriculum experts have already built the sequence for you. A path like becoming a social media manager takes you from being a beginner to advanced in a logical flow, preventing the knowledge gaps that usually slow you down. The secret to the Skillshare method is the hands-on project. If you scroll down on any class type, you see the Project Resources tab. High-velocity learners don't skip this. They start here. Currently, many classes include project assets. These are downloadable files like raw footage, high-resolution photos, or design templates. To learn faster, you should download these before you start your first lesson. By following the teacher's workflow with the exact same files, you reduce the friction of learning. You aren't hunting for a photo to edit, you're editing the exact photo the pro is using. Now let's take a look at the project library. Now this isn't just for showing off, it's a library of inspiration. If you're stuck, you can click on other students' projects to see their work in progress shots. Skillshare has also introduced a remix feature for certain technical classes. This allows you to open a peer's project file to see exactly how they built a specific layer or effect. It's like looking under the hood of a car to see how the engine works. Now we're about to get into Skillshare's certificates and how to use a creative feed for feedback. But remember, the project files and community features are only available in the project on the premium tier. So go ahead and use the link in the description to grab your free month of Skillshare Premium so you can actually download these resources and participate in the project while you watch. Now I would like to talk about certificates and collaborative feedback. Speed learning is great, but you need proof and accountability. Skillshare has fully integrated specializations and verified certificates, as you can see right here. To find these, you need to go over to the class section and look for the certificates tab. These aren't just participation trophies. They require that you have your project vetted by the community or the teacher. This accountability is a massive psychological boost. When you know a certificate is on the line, your brain focuses significantly better on the material. Now, I'd like to talk about the mobile optimization. Skillshare has an app. To truly learn faster on the go, you need to utilize that time. Use the app to download lessons for your commute. You can watch the theory on the train and do the project on your desktop when you get home. This dual device approach keeps the momentum going steady. Now, during the course of your learning, here are a few things to remember as well. Would like to start with an overview on the video player. The video player has a few functions right here, of course, the average play and pause button, the speed, of course, which is to help speed things up if you want to listen at a faster rate, but just enough for you to understand. You could also go back a few seconds and it's set at 15 seconds. And right here, you see the duration of this particular topic. By the way, on the right hand side, you also see all the videos you need to watch. And once you completed a video, you're going to see a tick which shows that you've completed that video. And all of these contribute to your progress bar. As you can see right here, 5 videos out of 76. This helps you to plan ahead and know exactly what you need to do before completing a course. Of course, at the top right here, you can see the number of lessons and the watch time for this course. Now over here, once you hover over it, you can click on this icon right here and it's for viewing all the notes. So if this video has any notes, you can come over here and find them. Of course, if you want to add a note, you could come over here and write it and then you could post it. This is a great function in case you have a question you'd like to ask. You could simply write a question, write an observation, and here you can also decide if it's just for you, for your personal digest, or if you want the public to know about it. Then when we go up again, this is a volume gauge, and then right here you have the subtitles. So if you want to listen in English and also see the subtitles, this is pretty much up to you. Now, depending on your internet connection, if you're on the go and you'd like to save some bandwidth or save your data, you can come over to the gear icon, click on it, and choose the rendering size. It's currently in auto, but if you want, you could adjust it to 480p, or if you want the maximum experience, you could go over to 1080p HD. Learning a skill doesn't have to take years. By using learning paths for structure, project assets to reduce friction, and certificates for accountability, you can achieve in 30 days what you used to take 6 months to achieve. The formula for speed is simple. Watch a lesson, perform one action, don't binge watch. Skillshare is designed for the doer, not the viewer. So if you're ready to put this into practice, don't wait. Go ahead and use the link in the description to get your free month of Skillshare Premium. My challenge to you is this. Pick one learning path today, finish the first learning project by the end of the week, and post it in the gallery of that class. You'll be amazed at how much faster you grow when you're part of an active community. We hope you found this helpful and we'll see you in the next one.